Why? What's up? No, no, no. It's cool. It's cool. Hold on. See those people out of light? They have a look. That you see? You see that? Go inside. Go inside. What is that? That's not fucking lightning. It wants to set off the car alarms. That's an electrical fucking storm. Some people freaked out and took off. Leave where? Why? What happened? No, I'm not freaked out about it. It's just that's something. There, you see? But what they said was was that it was a green ball of light standing still. This is not still. It was right above me when I went outside. Yeah, it was like it was like if somebody turned on and off like a huge flashlight. You know the same. We saw the same thing too one time at George's house. We were just there. You know, it wasn't even raining. And it looked like somebody like turned off and on like a flashlight right above George's house, like a huge, ugly like burst of light, and the whole fucking neighborhood went out. What is that? Have you seen anything like that before? The what?